The FOIFKIN F300 PC case boasts a modern design with a 270-degree panoramic tempered glass panel, providing a stunning view of your high-end hardware components. With its pre-installed 4 non-RGB fans, this case ensures high-performance heat dissipation, allowing for a maximum of 10 120mm fans to be installed for optimal cooling. The spacious interior of the F300 supports ATX, M-ATX, and ITX motherboards, and accommodates components like a 360mm cooler and a graphics processing unit of 400mm in length. It features convenient input and output ports, including Type-C 3.0, USB 3.0, USB 2.0, and audio jacks, ensuring easy connectivity. The case's hinged glass side panel allows for tool-free disassembly, making installation and maintenance a breeze. FOIFKIN guarantees product quality and offers responsive customer support to address any issues, ensuring a risk-free purchase experience.